Welcome, guys, to another market breakdown session. It's a bright day that the Lord has made. Um, it's Sunday, the 1st of August, 2021, our first week in the trading month of August. And it is NFP week, non-farmers payroll week. I'm just trying to pull up the calendar there. I'll show you guys our lineup, our fundamental lineup for the week. Starts with a very busy week. Of course, capping it off with this NFP right here on Friday. So guys, I'm not feeling really sound today. I have malaria. I live in Cameroon. I get bitten by mosquitoes. I have some malaria. I'm dealing with some malaria. But I'm doing my best to keep on giving you guys my take, my view on the market. Understand, we collected over 300 points last week. We made lots of money last week, and it is my every intention to keep up with that pace week to week. Now, looking at DXY, remember guys, my strategy is dollar based. Looking at DXY, we had a big surge during the last week, and it got right up to this point, 92.836, and it broke out. And on Friday, this is where we actually closed. On Friday, I'm going to use my fib to show this level. If I take it from that point to the highest point there, Friday market retraced and created a little bounce, almost around the 50% fib level. But now I think we're looking at some kind of a potential bounce zone there, around here. If this is a potential bounce zone, then potentially 91,650 is looking like a bounce zone, because we've seen another bullish candlestick over here. Then we're looking at maybe a continuation upside to higher highs. So what do I see for DXY next week? Really can't say much right now. There's so much happening fundamentally, but I'll go ahead and give you guys a zone to look at. You guys can look at this zone right here. We have little structure over here. Obviously, two things can happen, right? Between 196 and 007. This is what I'm expecting, right? This is my expectation for next week. I expect a breakout there, retest there, and then continuation upside there, or potentially breakout here, retest here, and continuation downside. I expect, however, the upward breakout to be more prominent or to dominate, because if we're looking at the daily time frame, we can clearly see that this market is an uptrend. And if we deploy something like area waves, I'll just go ahead and deploy area waves. I'm taking my time with DXY because everything revolves around the dollar strength or dollar weakness, right? So if we're deploying area waves over there, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, and then we have that little ABC correction, right? ABC. Then we stop the waves all over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there, and then we do a little ABC. A. So we see the market has done wave A, and we're potentially looking at a correction B. It could be here, it could be here, it could be here, before I have that C. So obviously, according to the cycles, market potentially will bounce upwards. And a dollar strength, what would that mean for us? It will mean a weakness in some of our counterparts, like first of all, strength, continuity of strength in dollar CAD. Friday we had that little spike. I didn't trade on Friday. I was actually bereaved. I had a funeral I was attending. But we already previously, over the last couple of weeks, had a breakout of this downward trend line on dollar CAD. And if I use my fib again there, I'll be seeing exactly the same thing for dollar CAD. 50% retracement over there. It's looking like a potential bounce area. So if you guys want to trade this next week, these are my expectations, right? This is what I expect. Remember, the market changes every single day. So if there is a change, you have to adapt. What do I see on dollar CAD? Drop to a 15-minute time frame. I'll be looking at this zone right here. I give the zone to you guys. I give you guys a zone. So check out the zone between 1.24171 and 1.21914. So this is what I expect. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but I'm giving you a zone, right? So always expect a potential breakout. So expect a breakout there, retest there, like that, or I expect this breakout there, retest there, and goes that way. So either way, however, I'm focusing more on the upward breakout, right? So if it happens according to that, then we'll react accordingly. Remember, I have a strategy and I teach it in my course, which has a 70% discount right now. So you guys make sure to hit me up and get registered, right? People are signing up for the live and the online session. I work very, very hard. I work smart. I teach twice a day because my goal here in Cameroon is to transfer my knowledge in trading to as many people as possible. And a lot of people I've trained are already seeing results on a daily. Euro USD, like I told you guys, I'm not feeling too sound today. I'll just give you guys my thoughts on Euro USD. Strong downtrend there. If I update this downward trend line, you can see a resumption of the downward trend in terms of candlesticks. Drop it there. So since some sort of 38.2, right? It's not really at 38.2, but in terms of zones, this is what I'm looking at, and this is my expectations, right? I only trade levels. I'll be looking at this zone. I'm paying a lot of attention to this zone right here. That is the zone. That is the zone. Paying a lot of attention to this zone. Potential breakout retest there. This is what I expect for this pair, obviously. So you guys watch out for 1.18777 and 1.18510. Obviously, if it breaks out shorter to 1.17300, you can always come back to this video and check it out. Last pair of the day, pound USD, same thing. It's a counterpart to the dollar. Looking like it's resumed its downtrend with this little bearish candlestick that I see over here. What are my expectations? I'll go ahead and give you guys zones. I only trade zones. Obviously, you guys should look at this zone right here between 1.39151 and 1.38874. So guys, what I expect this week for pound USD is a look at this zone, a retest, and obviously a continuation in that direction. And if it breaks out like that, daily time frame over there, we will be shorting this pair to the next obvious support level, which is around here. It's around here, yeah, somewhere. That's around 1.36400, right? 1.36400. So guys, that was it for today. I'm feeling really sick, but I'm committed to the process, right? Trading is a marathon and it's not a sprint. So we have goals and objectives. We create mind maps for our objectives, and we just follow them to achieve them. Personally, I have a goal card. I encourage all of you guys to create goal cards for yourself, so that as you trade, your purpose is written down. Write down your purpose, why you're trading, what you're trying to achieve, and understand you have a lifetime to achieve that. Anything you think, you can do it.